Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Sabita Azani and I'm from 11 MIPA 2. Today, me and my team would like to explain how does rain work. First of all, I would like to introduce my members also. They are Mariezka Indira, Naufal Arshidiq, Meutia Safira, and Adelia Putri, including myself also. But first, before we talk about how does rain form, we must know what is rain. Rain is a natural occurrence of water that falls from the sky. But how does it happen? How does it work? So, let's find out together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariezka Indira and now I'm going to explain to you about the first process of rain, which is evaporation. The first formation is evaporation. Evaporation happens when the molecule in water changes into gas. The cause of the change is mainly because of the sun. The evaporated water molecules go up into the sky and gather up in the clouds.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adelia Putri. Condensation is a part of one process where the gas molecule in the clouds bursts into more harder from that its liquid or in this process turned into water.
My name is Meutia Safira and I want to explain the third process of how is rain formed. So the third process is precipitation. So precipitation is a process where the water that has been crystallized and gathered up in the clouds become very heavy and as a result fall from the clouds as liquids of water that we know as rain.
And so the final form of the rain cycle is rain falling down into the earth. The molecules, liquid molecules inside the clouds are so heavy that the clouds cannot contain it anymore. So the liquid from the clouds fall from the sky into the earth, where the dirt absorbs the moisture, absorbs the water, and functionate all of the water through plants and to water sources like sea, lakes, and other water sources.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naufal Arshidiq and this time I will discuss the following statement. A calculated paragraph that puts all the information together. Initially located in this paragraph, from the text it can be seen that rain begins to form when there are particles in the air at temperatures above the freezing point, starting to cool down to temperatures below freezing, and making these particles heavy so that they oppose the upward flow of air and fall through the clouds, which is known as rain. So many of our presentations, if there are wrong words or action, we apologize and thank you.